Hello, hello everyone. Today we shall discuss about hello, hello, यहाँ से 5 मिनट Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss about rational numbers. Rational numbers. How to represent rational numbers in a number line? We know that number line can be represented in this way, and there are two ways of representing rational numbers in a number line. You see here, you are again writing a rational number. We will deal with rational number today, that is rational numbers. And rational numbers can be represented in a number line in two different ways. Number one, what you can say, that one is what we call it as improper fractions. Improper fraction. First we will deal with proper fraction. Proper fraction. And number one, number two, we will deal with improper fraction. Number two is improper fraction. Improper fraction. Number two is improper fraction. We know that proper fractions are those fractions in which the numerator is less than denominator, that is 1 by 2, or it can be written as 3 by 5, or it can be written as 4 by 5, or it can be written as 1 by 3. These are the proper fractions, and improper fractions is when the numerator is greater than denominator, that is improper fraction, that is 5 by 2 or 3 by 2 or 6 by 4, 6 by 5. These are the improper fractions. In proper fractions, you can find out that in proper fractions, that how to represent proper 1 by 2, 3 by 5 like this, right. You can draw a number line in this way. This is the number line. There is an arrow here and there is another arrow here, and in the middle it is 0. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and it is minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. Now, you see here that in proper fractions we have to represent 1 by 2. In proper fraction, all the fractions are less than 1. That means you have to find this between 0 and 1, right. So, it is we are drawing another number, another number line to represent it in a better way, right. This way, in this way, we are taking only two things, that is 0 and 1, and this is 0 and minus 1, because all the proper fractions are within 0 1, right. Suppose we are representing 1 by 2, 1 by 2, that means 1 by 2 means, suppose we divide this 1 into two parts, 1 2, right. Therefore, we can say that this one is 1 by 2, this part is 1 by 2, right. In the same way, if we draw another number line in this way, and suppose we are drawing another number line representing 3 by 5, all the proper fractions will be between 0 and 1. So you can draw a number line between 0 and minus 1 and minus 1, and you can draw any proper fractions in this number line. You see, this is a number line, and you will draw this between, this is 0, this is 1, and this is minus 1. Now, all the proper fractions can be represented in this between 0 and 1, because all the proper fractions are less than 1 and all the improper fractions is greater than 1, right. Therefore, we can represent here in this case that suppose 1 by 3 by 5, that means you have to divide these into 5 equal numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right. In 5 we have to take 3 by 5, that is 1, 2, 3. This represents as 3 by 5, this represents as, this point represents as 3 by 5. And next one is 4 by 5. Draw another number line. Here it is 0 and it is 1 and it is minus 1, because these are proper fractions, and proper fraction means all the fractions will lie between 0 and 1. And 4 by 5, that means you have to divide this 0, 1 into 5 equal numbers, equal division, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And if you write it here as 4 by 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, this one is 4 by 5, this one is 4 by 5, this one is 4 by 5, and the next one is 1 by 3. You see here, if you draw another number line, and all the proper fractions are represented between 0 and 1. Therefore, you need only 0, 1 and minus 1, 0, 1 and this is minus 1, right. Now, it is 1 by 3, that means you have to divide this one into 3 equal parts, 1, 2 and 3, right. 3 equal parts, and we see 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means, you can see here that it can be 1 by 3, that is 1, 2, 3, that is 1 by 3 is, this one is 1 by 3, and represent this as 1 by 3. These are the proper fractions of positive integers, positive numbers. Now, if we try to represent negative numbers, how we can do this? You can do this in this way, that if it is a negative numbers, that we can also do it in 0 and minus 1, right. Suppose it is minus 1 by 2, or it is minus 3 by 5, or it is minus 4 by 5, and it is minus 1 by 3. And representing all these in number line, you see this number line is representation, this is proper fraction, therefore we can represent it between 1 and minus 1. This is 1, this is minus 1, and minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 5, minus 4 by 5 and minus 1 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 2, that means you have to divide these into 2 equal parts, this one, and this factor is 1, 2, this is minus 1 by 2, this is because this is negative, minus 3 by 5, right. Same way we are drawing this number line, that is 0, it is 1 and it is minus 1. Minus 3 by 5 means if you divide this number 5 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right. Minus 3 by 5 means 1, 2, 3, this is minus 3 by 5. Minus 4 by 5 means also in the same way you can represent it, that in this way, that it is 0, right, it is 0, it is 1 and it is minus 1. And to divide this into 5 equal parts, you divide 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and the number is minus 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4. This represents as minus 4 by 5, okay. And 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3 can be represented in this way, that this is a number line, this can be represented between 0 and minus 1, 0 and 1, and this is 0 and minus 1. You have to divide it into 3 equal parts, right, that is 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, right. and this is minus 1 by 3, this is one part, therefore this represent as minus 1 by 3. Okay. Now we will represent the another thing, that is this one, that is we are going for improper fractions. For improper fractions, what you know, that improper fraction means greater than 1, right. First we will do the positive numbers, after that we will represent it the negative numbers. This is the representation of rational numbers on a number line. You see, in this way we can represent this number line also. You know, improper fraction 5 by 2, 5 by 2, if you divide 5 by 2, it can be 2 to the 4, that is 2 whole. 5 by 2 can be written as 5 by 2 can be written as 2 whole 1 by 2, right. And this can be represented in this way, that suppose this is a number line, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and this is minus 1, minus 2, right. Now the number is 2 whole 1 by 2, and this 2 and 3 we can divide it into two parts. This one, this is 2, and this one represents 2 whole 1 by 2, right. And the next one is 3 by 2, 3. If we divide 3 by 2, we are getting 2 1 is 2, that is we are getting 3 by 2 means 3 by 2 is equal to 2 1 whole 1 by 2, right. We can represent this in a number line in this way, that this is a number line, this is 0, 1 and 2, 1 2, and this is minus 1 minus 2, 1 whole 1 by 2. 1 whole 1 by 2 means this is 1 whole, and 1 by 2 means this is divided into two parts, and this point represent 1 whole 1 by 2. This point is 1 whole 1 by 2, right. And this was there. Now the next number is 6 by 5. Next number is 6 by 5 will represent 6 by 5 in this way.